Install iOS Emoji on any Android devices. This is Android Emoji. And this is iOS Emoji. iOS keyboard sound and blur effect. Let's install. Download in video description. Download both files to your phone. Open File Manager, then install. Go to Settings, Languages and Input to enable iOS keyboard. Open App. Select Keyboard. Try your keyboard. Tap here to resize keyboard. Enable Keypress sound volume. Custom theme. Add downloaded image. Edit background darkness. iOS Emoji. Thanks for watching video.